Why you should keep posting on YouTube even if nobody's watching your videos? That's a common question that I got in my comment section. Why should you keep posting on YouTube if nobody's watching your videos? And I want to tell you why you should keep posting. And that's our conversation today. Why you should keep posting on YouTube even if nobody's watching your videos. Because so many people think that all they have to do is just get a camera, get a topic, shoot a video, upload to YouTube, and you're going to blow up. No, it's not going to happen like that. Don't listen to all these gurus and these people that be capping. It's not going to happen like that. And I'm going to let you know right now. And you already know it's not happening because you uploaded some videos and nobody's watching. And you was discouraged. You said, I'm not going to upload no more videos because nobody's watching it. It's not worth it. But keep posting videos on YouTube even if nobody's watching. Why? Here are the 3 reasons why you should keep posting. Number 1, you're building up that muscle of creating videos for YouTube. You're building that muscle. Because we're getting right into that. Get a pen and get a piece of paper because what I'm about to tell you is going to, not blow your mind, but it's going to open up your eyes to see why you should keep posting on YouTube even if nobody's watching your videos. Because you're building that muscle. The muscle of creating videos specifically on YouTube. Because let's be real. Some of us, including myself, we was uncomfortable when we started shooting these videos for YouTube. We know we got the title. We know we got the information to share with the people because we know we got people out here that has, that wants to hear what we have to say. But you have to build that muscle when you get in front of this camera. Because it's hard for a pimp. It's hard for a brother out here shooting a video. I'm in my studio now. It took me a long time to shoot videos for YouTube. I thought I had to shoot it inside my office, inside the house. I had to get the right camera. I got to get the right microphone. I got to get the right background. No. You got to build your muscle to shoot these videos. I'm inside my studio now. This is my car. This is my studio. When I relaunched my channel, I'm building my muscle in shooting these videos. I got the topic. I got the title. I know who I'm serving in this community. I just had to build my muscle in shooting these videos, getting comfortable shooting these videos. That's why I said, keep posting videos on YouTube, even if nobody's watching, because you have to build that muscle. Yeah, sometimes I don't want to shoot no videos. Sometimes I'm like, man, I already did 3 videos yesterday. That should be enough. I don't feel like shooting today. I got too much stuff to do. But you got to build that muscle. Just like when you go into the gym, you lifting these weights. You go in there, you're not strong enough. You got 50-pound weights and you're lifting the weights. You're like, oh man, I could do 10 reps. I want to do 25, but I can only do 10 right now. And then, oh man, I got to quit. But we don't quit in my time community. We don't quit. We build our muscles by building those reps, by doing these videos. And then you go back in there tomorrow and you do 11. Then you go back in the next day, you do 15. And you building these reps, you building your muscles, and you shooting these videos, and you get more comfortable shooting these videos because you are building that muscle to shoot these videos. That's the reason number 1 why you should keep creating videos on YouTube, even if nobody's watching. The second reason why you should keep creating those videos on YouTube, because you have people waiting for you to open up your mouth. They don't even know you exist. Let's be real. They do not even know you exist. They see you on their screen. They ain't even paying attention to you. But when they do pay attention to you, they are a part of your tribe. They are a part of the people that's assigned to you. That's why you should keep creating videos and uploading on YouTube, even if nobody watching. Because when they do watch, the people that's assigned to you, when they come, they will have videos already waiting for them to consume. They've been consuming all other videos, and I'm going to put it like this. They've been consuming all types of food until they taste and see your good information that you have to share in those videos. But they've been tasting all this other kind of food, all this fake food, all this bad food. They don't have the right vitamins for them. It doesn't have the right taste and flavor for them. But when they hear you and see you and feel you, they know they are part of your tribe. They know they've been assigned to you because they will see you, they will feel you, and they will subscribe and like and leave a comment in your channel. That's why you should keep uploading those videos on YouTube, even if nobody's watching, because you are building it for those that's assigned to you. That's why you should keep making those videos and uploading those videos. I want this to be clear in your mind, because you have to get that muscle built up, because you have to get those reps in, and you have to know that you have people assigned to you that's waiting for you. They don't even know you exist, but they're waiting for you. You have the answer for them, but they're waiting for you. They're searching for the answer because they've been searching for so long. They're waiting for you. So when you do put those videos up and they come and say, oh, I'm going to check them out, you have a whole category or a whole arsenal of videos that they will watch and consume. That's why you should keep uploading videos to YouTube, even if nobody's watching. And the third and final reason why you should upload videos to YouTube, even if nobody's watching, because you're building the platform for those people. Yeah, I said it in number 2, but this is for those who know that they're building a platform. You're building a platform for people to come and rest. I said it. You're building a platform for people to come and rest. They've been searching high and low for the answer. They're weary. Some of them are confused. But when they hear you, when they feel you, and they taste and see what you have is good for them, and it's nourishing their body, they will come and be at rest in your platform, in your channel, in your videos. They will say, oh, this is so good. I'm so glad he posted this. Oh, he got 35 more videos. Oh shoot, let me go check out those other videos. Oh man, this is so good. Oh man, I can't consume all this good food, man. Oh, I'm gonna come back tomorrow. They come back tomorrow. They already saw 5 videos already, but they come back tomorrow. They got 30 videos left. No, they got 32 videos left because you just uploaded 2 more videos. And since you uploaded 2 more videos, you're gonna be like, oh my goodness. Oh, I got a place to come and get nourishment. I got a place to come and get some more good food, because I've been searching high and low, and the food I was consuming with those other content creators, they was good, but your flavor is good over here. It has more flavor over here. That's why you should keep uploading videos even if nobody's watching. I understood that. When I first started, I was like, okay, I'm gonna do 1 video a week or 2 videos a week. And then I was like, no, I need to get more exposure out here. I'm gonna do 1 video each day. And then I saw other content creators doing 2 and 3 videos a day. Hey, I could do 3 videos a day. It might be hard, but I'm gonna get to it. And I've been doing 3 videos a day because I know there's people out there waiting to hear my voice. I also know I'm building a platform, and I also know I got to build those reps in. You got to build in those reps. Because that's the reason why you should keep uploading videos to YouTube, even if nobody's watching. And I'm going to give you a bonus. This is number 4. I was just going to give you 3, but I'm going to give you an extra one. This is number 4. Write this down. People are watching you who don't even click your video. How can they watch you if they don't click your video? They got to click your video to watch your video, right? Nope. You know it, and I know it. On your home screen, even if you're on your phone or if you're on your desktop, on the home screen, they have the videos with the thumbnails, and some of them be playing. Some of them have the closed caption, the words on the bottom, what you're saying. Some of them, I have done it myself. I looked at the videos and started reading those closed captions to see what they're talking about, because the title might say one thing, but they might be saying something else. I watched the video to see if what they're saying match with what they're saying in the title. I watched the video. I don't click on it. I don't give them the satisfaction to click on the video. Call it what you want. I just want to make sure they lining up with what they saying in the title to what they saying in the video. And I watched the video. I said, okay, this might be good. I might click on the video, I might not. But if I don't click on the video, if I see them again with a different topic or a different title that come across my line, I do it again. If it's a video playing, I let the video play, look at the closed caption, and I look at it and I say, okay, they consistent, okay. Let me click on the video, boom. And if what they saying matches up with what the title is, and they bring in that energy, my mentor say, bring the energy, bring the energy. If they're bringing that energy and it's resonated with me, I'll watch the video. Then I go to their channel, see how many videos they have up, and see what the most popular video is, and how many videos that they have, and how many subscribers they have. I take all of that into consideration before I subscribe. Because if I want to rock with them, I want to know if they're consistent and they're saying what they're saying from their heart. Not just from their head, from their heart. So those are the 3 reasons and a bonus on why you should keep uploading videos to YouTube even if nobody's watching. Number 1, got to build in those reps. Make those videos, build in those reps. Number 2, you build in a platform so people could come and rest once they find out who you are, what you have, and why they should care. And number 3, the most important, those people that's assigned to you, they're going to come, they're going to like, they're going to share. You already know the whole gamut. That's why you should keep uploading videos to YouTube even if nobody's watching. That's why I want you to leave a comment below, because I know you're watching this video 11 minutes and 59 seconds, 12 minutes in. You still watching this video? I just want to say I appreciate you, and leave a comment below. I want to see where you at on this journey. You just starting a YouTube channel? If you just starting a YouTube channel, don't be discouraged, because people are going to watch your channel. People are going to watch your videos. Don't be discouraged. If you only get 1, 2, or 3 videos, 1, 2, or 3 people watching your videos. Everybody starts from 0. Everybody don't start with 1 million. Just want you to know that. So, like I tell everybody, leave a comment below. This video's been a blessing to you. Hey, in my time community, everybody's welcome, except the haters. No haters allowed. But on the real, I appreciate y'all for everything that you're doing. Those subscribers, I appreciate y'all for subscribing. Those who are watching who haven't subscribed yet, thanks for watching. And I just want you to know, this is my life. This is my experience. This is my time. God bless.